Hello, this is Mr. Morales. Good evening. Today we're going to continue our Unit 9 on polynomials. We've talked about adding and subtracting polynomials. Don't forget they got to have the same variable, the same exponent. We've talked about multiplying polynomials, where there's a monomial times a monomial, monomial times a binomial, and a monomial times a trinomial. Today we're going to talk about dividing monomials. So monomial divided by monomial. A couple of things I want you to keep in mind. On the first page of your notes packet, if you look at rule number 3, it says the zero exponent rule, which means any base except 0 raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So keep this in mind. Anything to the 0 power is just 1. Or we could say it cancels out. Another one is the negative exponents, which is number 6 at the bottom. When you get a chance, read that before you continue on with this video. Which means if you have a negative exponent left on top, you want to move it to the bottom and make it a positive exponent. Keep this in mind. No negative exponents should be part of your answer. So that's our goal. Now, what I want you to do is, let's go to page 2 in our notes packet. Now, the rule from page 1 says when you're dividing, you take the exponents of the like bases and subtract them. And so that's what we're going to do here. So if you notice, k and k to the 9th divided by k to the 5th. One way you can write this is k to 9 minus 5. And you get k, and this is 4, so k to the 4th power. That's it. That's your answer. So again, same base, subtract the exponents of the same base, and there's your answer, k to the 4th power. Let's try another one. This is number 16 in your packet, same page. So we have, this time you have 9 divided by 3. These are coefficients. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. It goes up top. Again, another way to look at it is 3 goes into 3 once, and it goes to 9 3 times. So you see the 3's up top, and you see the 1 is on the bottom. But we don't need to write the 1 right now. Now you have 8 minus 10. I always tend to do all the work on top. Always. So you have 8 minus 10, which is negative 2. So here I have d to the negative 2 power. But if you remember what I said a minute ago is no exponents that are negative in your answer. So because it's negative up top, I am going to move it to the bottom and make it positive. So now let's write our final answer. You have 3 up top, and you have d squared on the bottom. And so that is our final answer. Let's do another one. This was number 17, same page. So you have 6 divided by 4, which really just simplifies. 2 goes into both of them. 2 and 3. So this stays 3 over 2. And that's okay. Then you have the a's. You have 5 minus the 1, which is 4. So a to the 4th goes up top. And again, this is like saying 5 minus 1, you get 4. Alright, always doing the work on the top of the fraction bar. Then you have 2 minus 3, which is negative 1. So you have b to the negative 1. Again, no negative exponents in your answer. So in this case, I'm going to take this b to the negative 1, I'm going to move it to the bottom and make it positive. So this is gone from the top. I've relocated to the bottom. So now my final answer is 3a to the 4th with 2b at the bottom. And I don't need to write the exponent of 1 on the bottom for that. Alright, let's try one more. I think 18 is our last one. So we have 32 divided by negative 8. So we'll do that first. And you get, I believe, negative 4. Alright. So x, you have 3 minus the 1 here. 3 minus the 1 is 2. So I have x squared. I have y2 and a y1 here. So 2 minus the 1 is 1. All of this so far is positive, so it stays on top. Now let's look at the z's. You have 5 minus 2, which is 3. It's also positive, so everything stays on top. And I just put a box around it just like that, because nothing goes in the bottom. Hopefully this has helped you out. Keep in mind, no negative exponents in your answer, whether it's on top or the bottom. If there happens to be a negative exponent on the bottom, all you have to do is move it to the top and make it positive. I hope this has helped you out. Please try to do some more of the problems on the worksheet. Bring it to me. Let's check it. Make sure you're doing it right before you continue working on IXL. Have a great day.